Say 2005 Chevy Colorado. It's four-wheel drive, the Z71. This is pretty much the same thing as a GMC Canyon. Today I'm going to show you how to make your horn sound when you lock it. Right now it does not. It just makes the sound of the doors locking, but does not sound the horn. So right now I'm gonna show you how to make the horn sound when you lock it and unlock it. There's one video out here right now that he puts his key in the ignition switch. So but I saw that you don't have to. All you gotta do is just press these two buttons right here, this one and this one. You gotta press it for a couple seconds and then a code appears on your cluster. So like this. And then it says RFA1. You press this little button right here. This one right here. You press it and hold it for a couple seconds, and then RFA2 appears. So what this one does, then you just press one more. Okay. Now you press it and you can hear the horn. Okay. I don't know if you heard it. Then you press unlock. You don't hear no horn beeping when you unlock it, but when you lock it, you hear the horn once. Okay. So I also know, messing with it, I got to see that if you wait till for the other one, you press buttons again together at the same time, couple seconds. Come on. Okay, so just holding the buttons together at the same time. Then you come back again here with the little button. You press it and don't release it. And then RFA3 appears. So now you press this once again. And you come outside. You lock it. I don't know if you heard it. And now you press unlock. I don't know if you heard it, the beeping twice when you unlock it now. So once again, locking. You hear it once. Unlocking, the horn goes off twice. So pretty much also you lock it. And then, well, my locking system is not that good on my truck. I gotta pretty much lock it by myself manually. But you start hearing the horn little by little, and then it starts getting louder and louder. So now you just pretty much unlock and you're pretty much set. All you gotta do is just again, is just press those two buttons together again. And yeah, on RFA1 I noticed that doesn't do anything, but on RFA4 either. So pretty much the horn will only sound once on RFA2, but it will not sound when you unlock it. But RFA3, sorry, will horn beep twice when you unlock and once when you lock it. So hopefully this video will help you guys out. Remember, give it a thumbs up if you guys like my video. Again, this is pretty much the same as a GMC Canyon. So see you later.